Hey guys, Jimmy of Vegas here. Today we're playing an indie game made Unity on itch.io called Visitor. Don't know much about it. It says you have arrived at the village of Burton at an unfortunate time. Shortly after arriving, you realise the village is empty. Great. As you wander throughout Burton, you soon discover what's happened to its residents. Playtime is roughly 5 minutes. Well, I'd love to find out what happens in 5 minutes to these villagers. Okay, let's just get into it. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to have a go yourself. Not too bad, actually. I'll go that way. It doesn't look too bad. Okay, let's... Okay, we can't run. Water. The river. Obviously. Ooh! Ooh! Can we do anything with it? Okay. So, I'm not sure I can go that way. I think maybe I've got to go up there. I want to have a look around though. It looks quite nice, this. It doesn't look too bad at all. Look at that. That's actually not too bad. I like the sky. I do particularly like the sky. I mean, there's no massive amounts of post-processing or anything, but it's okay. The sound effects are quite nice as well. I'm guessing we've got to go in here. Let's have a look around. Oh! Okay, the door slammed shut on us. What's this? To the blacksmith of Burton. It has come to the king's attention that you have resumed excavation of the sealed mine. This is a direct order from the king to cease all mining activity and collapse the entrance immediately. Why? The courier will remain at Burton for 7 days to ensure you follow the king's orders. If on the 7th day no news is returned of your compliance, His Highness will dispatch an armed force to seal off the mine and punish you and Burton for your transgressions accordingly. We await news of your actions. Okay, so I reckon I know what's happened already. But I think we've got to go and discover that. Ooh, bloodstained pillows. Bloodstained mattress. Nice warm fire. Looks like some brutality has occurred here and someone's been dragged out. I'm curious now. I am curious. Ooh, you see that lightning there? Call me George because I am curious. Ooh, I'm guessing that's the mine. I don't think there's anything else to pick up, is there? So I'm just pressing the buttons to see what they do. Let's resume. We don't want to go back to that. So some of these assets do look rather familiar, but that's okay. That's what they're there for. On that note, the asset store is a fantastic place. You guys should really check it out every day because there's always something new in there. I don't think there is anything here, is there? I mean, it feels like you could literally... Ooh, look at the river. Look at that! I didn't spot that before. It feels like you could literally run from start to finish in this, but I kind of wanted to explore. The smokiness coming from this mine. Smoking. Don't do that, Jimmy. I'm really not sure what to expect. Is something going to jump out? Oh dear. Ooh. I'm still moving around, but I can't see anything. I'm not 100% sure what's going on. Wow, okay, well, fair enough. Okay. Well, it was played roughly 5 minutes. You could probably do that in about 10 seconds if you ran. Well, you can't run, but if you just went from A to B. That was interesting, I've got to be honest. Although short and not a lot was there, that was interesting. I feel like that could be expanded to a great degree to be very interesting. So if you are the developer of that, I would encourage you to go a little bit further with this, because if you did a little bit more, a bit more intricacy, some other stuff here and there, a couple more notes, expanded the village a little bit more, that is interesting. That's good. I like that. It looks nice as well. It'd be interesting to know how. Solar project, 4 months. See, it was only 4 months' work. Spent a year on that. That'd be pretty good. I would encourage more work on that. Enjoyed that. So, guys, if you liked it, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But let me know in the comments why you give it a thumbs down. Oh yeah, there's the whole waterfall thing. That's pretty good. So yeah, link is in the description if you want to have a go yourself. So what was the purpose of picking up the sword? Did I have to pick that up? I don't think I did have to pick that up. I wonder if I can just ignore things and just go to the mine. No, like I said, it'd go from A to B. There goes the door. The effects are really nice. It's good. So yeah, link is in the description. Let me know, guys. And I'm going to go backwards and just see what happens here. It disappears. Cool. Okay, well, that was Visitor. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Guys, thank you very much for watching.